How can you win a man's heart forever? What are you going to do to win a man's heart forever? In today's video, I am going to share with you 3 perfect ways to win a man's heart forever. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and the natural ways to keep them. So you are on the right channel. Hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be a member of this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Let's proceed. I have received some questions from my friends. They do ask me, Ken, how am I going to make my husband happy? And how am I going to win his heart forever? I said and I replied, this is a perfect question, because for you to ask me these questions, it shows that you are deeply in love with your man, and that is what marriages needs to be successful. Love is what marriages need to be successful, to avoid misunderstanding and divorce. If you can watch in our society or in the world today, divorce are escalating, increasing. But if you can adopt to be in love with your partner, you can never experience divorce. But that is not what I am praying for, or what I want any one of us to experience. So for her to ask me these questions, it shows that she is deeply in love with her husband. So do you know what I replied? I said to her, I have 3 best strategies for you, which you can adopt, and which any one of you out there can also adopt and implement. It works, and it works perfectly. What are you going to do to win a man's heart forever? There are only but 3 perfect strategies. Number 1 is for you to respect him. Every man loves respect naturally. Be it old man, young guy, or even as far as he is a man, they do love respect. What do I mean by respect? Don't interrupt him whenever he is saying. Don't oppose or object his decision. Allow him to express his power as a man. All these things are respect. So when you respect a man, 30% you are winning his heart. Number 2 is to love his family members. Be comfortable whenever his family members are around. Accept them, play with them, and show them love. The same love that you show to your husband, show it to his family members. Once he sees all this love expression, he will love you, and definitely you are going to win his heart. Once you accept all his family members without despising any one of them, giving them what you have, give them and respect each and every one of them, you will definitely win your man's heart. Number 3 and the last perfect strategy or way to win a man's heart is to give him a delicious food. Once you can cook better, you can prepare a delicious food for any man or for your man, he will never think of going outside to eat. And the more you are doing this, and the more he is eating your food, he is creating a love towards you, and you preparing that delicious meal is also attracting his heart towards you, because anytime he remembers to eat or to find something good to eat, he will remember you, and by so doing, you have won his heart already through that food. So these three things are the best way to win a man's heart. If you can do them and do it perfectly, you will win any man's heart. Because one, every man likes respect. Two, every man don't like his wife or his friend to despise any of his family members. And the last, every man like delicious food. So if you can be able to do all these three things, you will definitely win his heart, and he will never think of any other woman except you. Because what he needs, you give it to him. What he requires, you have it. So definitely you have won his heart already if you will do all this. I hope you like this video, and I hope this video is valuable. If you get value from this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Put your comment in the comment section below. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. I hope you got value, or you get value from this video. Share it to your friends and family. Share it to those you think that might need this powerful video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.